Are you frustrated with your small kitchen and looking for ways to make it more stylish and functional? Today, I'm going to share some incredible interior design ideas and inspiration that will completely transform your small kitchen. If you've ever felt limited by the size of your kitchen, this video is for you. When I first started exploring small kitchen designs, I was blown away by the creative solutions people came up with to maximize space. In my opinion, a small kitchen can be just as efficient and beautiful as a larger one. By the end of this video, you'll have a fresh perspective on how to make the most out of your small kitchen space. But here's the interesting part. It's not just about making do with less space. The right design can solve many everyday challenges, from storage issues to creating a sense of openness and luxury. Let's dive in and discover how. Imagine walking into a kitchen that feels spacious and well-organized, no matter its size. It sounds like a big challenge, right? But it's totally achievable. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your small kitchen into a stunning, functional space. First, let's talk about the layout. One of the most crucial aspects of designing a small kitchen is maximizing the space you have. You might think that a small kitchen is too limited, but that's where smart planning comes into play. For instance, consider using a galley layout, which optimizes space by having two parallel counters. I remember the first time I saw a well-executed galley kitchen. It was a game changer. But this is interesting. Have you ever thought about using multifunctional furniture? It's a perfect hack for making the most of a small kitchen. Items like foldable tables, rolling carts, and pull-out countertops can provide extra workspace and storage when you need it, and then tuck away to save space. By the end of this video, the only thing you need to know is how these multifunctional pieces can dramatically improve your kitchen's functionality. Now let's discuss storage solutions. Small kitchens often struggle with clutter, but there are many ways to maximize storage without crowding the room. Think about installing vertical storage, like shelves and cabinets that go up to the ceiling. Use hooks and racks for utensils and pots to free up drawer and counter space. I've seen small kitchens transformed by simply adding more strategic storage. It's truly amazing. Let's dive into the importance of light and color. Lighter colors can make a small kitchen feel more open and airy. Imagine using soft, neutral tones combined with strategic lighting to create a bright and welcoming ambiance. Natural light is your best friend here. But if that's not an option, well-placed mirrors and light fixtures can work wonders. A large mirror or reflective surfaces can make the room appear larger. Adding multiple light sources at different levels can also enhance the space. But we need to know more. What about the accessories and decor? These choices can greatly impact the look and feel of your kitchen. Opt for sleek, space-saving designs that don't sacrifice style. By the end of this video, you'll understand how the right accessories can elevate your kitchen's design, making it both stylish and functional. Let's not forget the personal touches. Small kitchens can still be a reflection of your personality and style. Think about incorporating stylish accessories, plants, and artwork that make the space feel like your own. These small details can have a big impact. But this is interesting. Have you ever thought about adding a statement piece, like a bold backsplash or a unique light fixture? It's a perfect hack for making a small space feel special. By the end of this video, you'll see how even the smallest kitchen can have a big personality. By now, you might be wondering, how do you balance aesthetics and practicality in such a small space? The challenge becomes more progressively difficult as we weigh the options. But don't worry, we'll overcome this together. The toughest challenge is finding the perfect balance that suits your personal style and daily needs. Here's the turning point. Understanding your specific needs is key. Are you looking for a minimalist design, a cozy, rustic feel, or maybe a modern, luxurious look? Identifying this will help narrow down your choices and lead you to the perfect design. As we reach the resolution, I want to leave you with this key lesson. The right design can truly transform your small kitchen. It's not just about making it look good, it's about creating a space that works for you and enhances your daily life. Choose wisely, and your kitchen will not only look better, but will function better too. I hope this video has inspired you and given you some actionable ideas. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might be looking for small kitchen design inspiration.